Did you know that having optimal levels of this neurotransmitter helps release fat and sleep better? Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that transmit signals across the synapses between neurons in the brain and other parts of the nervous system. These tiny molecules play a crucial role in shaping our everyday life and functions. They influence everything from mood, sleep, concentration, and weight regulation to heart rate and even the body's ability to manage pain. Neurotransmitters help to maintain the body's internal balance and facilitate communication between the brain and the rest of the body. Different neurotransmitters have different functions. Some, like dopamine and serotonin, are associated with pleasure and mood regulation, while others, like acetylcholine, are involved in muscle control. Understanding how neurotransmitters work is essential for comprehending how our bodies and brains function on a fundamental level. What is GABA? Gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, is one of the most important inhibitory neurotransmitters in the brain. It acts as a natural tranquilizer, calming the nervous system by inhibiting nerve transmission. This calming effect is essential for reducing stress, anxiety, and fear. GABA plays a critical role in promoting restful sleep by reducing neuronal excitability throughout the nervous system, making it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. It also helps regulate muscle tone, ensuring that our muscles are neither too relaxed nor too tense, and plays a role in managing pain perception, making it an integral part of our body's stress response system. Furthermore, GABA is involved in fat metabolism. By inhibiting the release of adrenaline and reducing stress-induced cravings, GABA helps regulate appetite and support weight management efforts. It can also enhance the body's ability to burn fat for energy, making it a valuable ally in weight loss and metabolic health. What is glutamate? Glutamate is another essential neurotransmitter, but unlike GABA, it is excitatory. This means that it stimulates nerve cells, encouraging them to send signals. It is the most abundant neurotransmitter in the brain, playing a key role in cognitive functions such as learning and memory. Glutamate is critical for synaptic plasticity, the process by which synapses strengthen or weaken over time, and is fundamental for learning and memory. However, too much glutamate can be harmful. Excessive glutamate activity can lead to neuronal damage and is associated with neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Therefore, maintaining a balance between excitatory glutamate and inhibitory GABA is essential for optimal brain health. Glutamate also plays a role in metabolism. It is involved in the Krebs cycle, a key metabolic pathway that provides energy to cells. By participating in this cycle, glutamate helps regulate energy production and utilization within the body. Do GABA supplements work? There is ongoing debate about the effectiveness of GABA supplements due to a critical factor: the blood-brain barrier. Some studies suggest that GABA supplements can have a calming effect and improve sleep quality, while others indicate that they might not be effective due to limited absorption. More research is needed to determine the efficacy of GABA supplements fully. What is the blood-brain barrier? The blood-brain barrier is a selective permeability barrier that separates the circulating blood from the brain and central nervous system, also known as the CNS fluids. This barrier is formed by tightly packed endothelial cells that line the brain's blood vessels, creating a shield that protects the brain from harmful substances and pathogens that might be present in the bloodstream. The blood-brain barrier allows essential nutrients and oxygen to pass through while keeping out toxins and pathogens. However, this protective feature also poses a challenge for delivering certain medications to the brain, as many drugs cannot cross the barrier. In the context of neurotransmitters like GABA, the blood-brain barrier plays a crucial role. It limits the ability of many substances, including GABA, to enter the brain from the bloodstream, affecting how certain supplements might work. Does GABA cross the blood-brain barrier? One of the main challenges with GABA supplementation is that GABA itself does not efficiently cross the blood-brain barrier in most circumstances. The blood-brain barrier prevents many substances, including GABA, from entering the brain from the bloodstream. This means that taking GABA supplements may not directly increase GABA levels in the brain, and their effectiveness can vary among individuals. What is the relation between arginine and GABA? Arginine, an amino acid, plays a supportive role in the production of GABA. It is a precursor to nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow and nutrient delivery throughout the body, also including the brain. By supporting the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to brain cells, arginine may enhance the body's natural ability to produce GABA. Additionally, arginine is involved in the urea cycle, where it can be converted into ornithine and subsequently into glutamate, which is then used to produce GABA. Therefore, arginine indirectly supports the production of GABA by providing the necessary components for its synthesis. What is the relation between the microbiota and GABA? The gut microbiota, a complex community of microorganisms in our digestive system, plays a significant role in GABA production. Certain bacteria in the gut can produce GABA, influencing the levels of this neurotransmitter in the body. This interaction is part of the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain. By promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, you can enhance GABA production and support your brain health. Prebiotics and probiotics are key to maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. Prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers, feed beneficial bacteria, while probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can help balance the gut flora. How to increase GABA naturally? Increasing GABA levels naturally can be achieved through several lifestyle and dietary choices. Avoiding alcohol is essential, since it can disrupt GABA receptors and interfere with the body's natural balance of neurotransmitters. Reducing alcohol consumption helps maintain healthy GABA levels. Engage in physical activity, especially high-intensity interval training, can boost GABA levels by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth and maintenance of neurons. Use kava and vitamin B3. Kava, a plant native to the Pacific Islands, has been shown to enhance GABA activity. Similarly, vitamin B3 supports the production of GABA and helps improve mood. Meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can increase GABA levels by promoting relaxation and reducing stress, which naturally boosts inhibitory neurotransmitters like GABA. Have fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi contain probiotics that support a healthy gut microbiota, promoting the production of GABA. Eat shrimp. Shrimp is rich in taurine, an amino acid that can enhance GABA production in the brain. Use cocoa. Cocoa contains compounds that boost GABA levels and improve mood. Enjoying dark chocolate in moderation can be beneficial. Make sure it's sugar-free, and sweetened with stevia or allulose. Consume fava beans. Fava beans are a natural source of L-dopa, which can influence neurotransmitter balance and support GABA levels. Eat spinach. Spinach is high in magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in GABA synthesis. Be sure to cook your spinach to avoid oxalates. Also, arugula. Arugula contains nitrates that improve blood flow, supporting nutrient delivery to the brain and enhancing GABA production. Eat tomato sauce. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and compounds that support neurotransmitter balance, including GABA. Have sauna time. Regular sauna sessions can increase the production of endorphins and promote relaxation, supporting healthy GABA levels. Incorporating these lifestyle changes and dietary choices can naturally help you increase GABA levels, supporting better sleep, enhanced fat metabolism, and overall well-being. Understanding the importance of neurotransmitters like GABA and how to optimize their levels can be a powerful tool in achieving your health and wellness goals. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, in the intricate world of neurotransmitters, GABA stands out for its vital role in maintaining balance within our nervous system. GABA serves as the body's natural tranquilizer, helping to calm the nervous system and reduce stress, anxiety, and fear. It is essential for promoting restful sleep, regulating muscle tone, managing pain perception, and even influencing fat metabolism. By inhibiting the release of adrenaline and reducing stress-induced cravings, GABA helps regulate appetite and supports weight management, making it an invaluable ally in maintaining metabolic health. In contrast, glutamate, the most abundant neurotransmitter in the brain, plays an excitatory role by stimulating nerve cells and supporting cognitive functions such as learning and memory. However, the balance between excitatory glutamate and inhibitory GABA is crucial, as excessive glutamate activity can lead to neuronal damage and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. Therefore, maintaining this balance is essential for optimal brain health. Despite the potential benefits of GABA supplements, their effectiveness is limited by the blood-brain barrier, which restricts the passage of many substances, including GABA, into the brain. While GABA supplements may have a calming effect for some individuals, their impact on brain GABA levels remains uncertain. The relationship between GABA and the body extends beyond the brain. The amino acid arginine plays a supportive role in GABA production by improving blood flow and nutrient delivery. Similarly, the gut microbiota, a community of microorganisms in the digestive system, can produce GABA and influence its levels in the body through the gut-brain axis. Increasing GABA levels naturally can be achieved through lifestyle and dietary choices such as reducing alcohol intake, engaging in high-intensity interval training, practicing meditation, and consuming foods rich in GABA or its precursors. Foods like fermented products, shrimp, cocoa, fava beans, spinach, arugula, and tomato sauce, along with regular sauna sessions, can support healthy GABA levels. Understanding and optimizing GABA levels can enhance overall well-being, improve sleep quality, and support fat release, empowering individuals to achieve their health and wellness goals. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.